6:43 this morning, and the rain continues to stay away from us. And it's remarkable because some places are seeing a ton of rain, and not just rain, but storms, severe storms. And get ready for multiple days, actually, of severe weather. A slow-moving cold front that, heads up, not coming here, but it does look like it's going to push into parts of North Texas even later today. There could be some severe storms in the Panhandle. Best chance, though, in parts of Iowa, Illinois. There could even be a few tornadoes today, and I do think severe weather threat is going to continue to push to the north and east with another front that'll be moving in and bringing rain to a lot of places, but not us. And that's why this is a very frustrating map. We're looking at rain for the next 7 days, and it is worth noting that there's high pressure out west, too, and they're getting awfully hot and awfully dry. But what's remarkable is when you look at the eastern half of the country, so many are going to be seeing rain. In fact, there's going to be some flooding. And one place that probably will see some flooding as we get into the weekend with that front that's going to stall out, and it's just going to produce round after round of rain in southern Georgia, southern Alabama, the Panhandle of Florida. And yeah, we'll probably end up hearing about flooding there. But check this out. Even though there's probably going to end up being some rain into the weekend in places like Austin and San Antonio, that dry circle continues for Corpus Christi on south. The ridge of high pressure is going to push a little bit farther south, but not far enough south to get away from us. And so we've got another dry week ahead of us. Now, I will say, if you look beyond the 7-day forecast, there's a few hints at some sea breeze showers and storms starting to come back early next week. We'll keep our fingers crossed. We could certainly use some rain, but no rain anytime soon. And that includes today. It's just going to be a mostly sunny day. In fact, would not rule out times of clear skies, especially late this afternoon, and very hot once again, 101. At least it'll be breezy. We keep saying that. Gusts around 25 miles per hour. But, you know, sometimes actually when it's so breezy, it keeps the humidity really high because winds are out of the south-southeast, and what's to our south-southeast, the Gulf of Mexico. So it's pumping that humidity in here. And so today, the entire valley under a heat advisory. It's kind of varied day to day depending on the exact humidity values. But everybody has the potential to see, feels like temperatures reach above 110 degrees, and so that's why we're under a heat advisory. Now, I do think some could get lucky and top out around 107, but it could reach as high as 112 in some locations this afternoon. Heat advisory in effect noon to 7 p.m. That will be the hottest time of the day. And we're looking at another warm night, lows around 81. The good news is clear to mostly clear skies, which will be good for the Perseid meteor shower, which is peaking tonight. So pretty good sky viewing conditions. It's still going to be breezy early tonight as well. Finally, winds will eventually die down to around 5 miles per hour, but during the evening hours, still looking at gusts around 20. Tomorrow, I think it could feel a little bit worse tomorrow because I think the humidity is going up a touch and the winds are coming down a touch. Still going to be breezy, but not quite as breezy as today. We're going to hit 101, but tomorrow the heat index range 108 to as high as 113. So we're probably going to be under a heat advisory once again for tomorrow. Now, I think it's going to be close Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, but it's still possible we could be dealing with a heat advisory through the work week. Notice mostly sunny skies through Thursday. I'll call it partly cloudy, a little bit more cloud cover Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And it is possible that maybe by the weekend we're talking about average highs around 99 instead of 100, but not much better. All of these temperatures above normal on your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast. We'll have more news coming up in just a bit.